This video I will show how to create table in Canva. So press slash on your keyboard. Now here you will see this pop-up. Search here table and click on table. Now draw table as you need. Now you can adjust size, and here is the table properties. Once you click here, you can change color, thickness, you can change border style, color, and there are some more options. You can adjust table space and size. Now here you can duplicate your table. You can delete any column or row. So this way you can create a table. So this way you can create a table in Canva. Thanks for watching.